Hey there, everyone. My name is Andrea. I am currently in Tampa, Florida. Um, I live here with my family. I have a almost 1.5 year old, and I've been married for a little over 2 years. Let me see if I can pull it up. Yeah, so here we are at Disney. This is just like almost a month ago now with their in-laws. They don't really speak English very well, so I am accelerating my Spanish learning. That's my husband, and this is a recent picture that we took at UT, which is one of the schools that I'll be applying to PA school for. That's my dog. She's a pug, about I think 14 years old or so. I've had her forever, but we don't know how old she was when we rescued her. But she's pretty old. One of my favorite shows is The Office, so I bought my husband and son these novelty teas. So yeah. Other than that, um, I went to UCF and I got a bachelor's in humanities. After that, I went to Penn State where I got my physical therapist assistant degree. And so that's what I do now. I work at one of the local hospitals in the Tampa area. I see patients I work throughout the entire hospital. So after cardiac surgeries, recent, CVAs, neuro patients, elective joint replacements, not so elective, if you broke your leg or were in a car accident or something, ICU patients. I pretty much see them all, everything in between. I don't really see pediatrics because they're just not on our caseload too much. But yeah, I am applying to PA school, so I'm finishing up with prereqs right now. This is one of my last ones. I will be applying this cycle. Also a volunteer, crisis text line volunteer. So I talk to people when they reach out through phone, actually. They can text us and we basically support them through their time of crisis. We hear from, you know, pretty much you think about it, they text in. It could be someone going through a breakup, someone having suicidal thoughts. Just we provide support and resources for how to handle those times of crisis. So it's been very, very interesting. But the good thing about it is that it lets me volunteer from home. So between work and school, I feel like my time away from my family is kind of already straining enough. So I didn't want to be away from the family volunteering on top of that. And my son's still too young to volunteer with me, or else I would take him along. But it's just a lot easier to volunteer this way, at least when it comes to hours, because their high traffic volume is between 10 p.m. and 6 a.m. So other than that, my husband and I like to dance salsa because we met in salsa class. So that's what we kind of get to do in our free time. I love spending time with my family, traveling. I traveled to Europe and South America, so I want to travel a lot more, but probably have to wait till my son's a little bit older. But that's okay. In the meantime, I'm just trying to advance my career a little bit, and I look forward to engaging with you all for the rest of the semester.